So I'm going to give you three practical things that I do. And this is one of the things that it helped make sure I don't hit burnout. If you've seen anything, if you ever hear me talk, like that's the main thing I try to explain to people. You don't want to hit burnout, especially when you're getting into content creation, because once you hit that burnout, you're pretty much starting over new. So that's the thing about it. So the first thing that I say, and this is one of the things that I do all the time, is I manage how long I'm using social media. So it doesn't matter if I'm talking to people on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or even hearing YouTube comments. And once I'm done, I'm done. I don't go back and check the messages. I don't do anything. Like, you'll always see, like, there's times where I just stop all communication. If you're going to become a content creator, it's very easy to get addicted to that notification, that like, that comment. Now, this is easier said than done.